Hi, I'm Joan Lok. I will be teaching a Zoom workshop on painting lotus on Saturday, August 21st from 1 to 3:30 Eastern Time. Lotus is a flower that symbolizes dignity, fertility, knowledge, and enlightenment. And the beautiful flower grow out from murky water and yet is bloom gloriously. So if you're interested in painting lotus, I will be working on the different structure of the lotus, the flower, and also we'll also work on the leaves, and we'll paint it in two different styles, the contour style and also the bonus style. So join me on August 21st on a Saturday from 1 to 3:30 Eastern Time. I hope to see you there via Zoom. Thank you. Bye-bye.